Do pool owners regret getting salt water? This is something that it's such a hot topic even to this day. Salt chlorine versus, regular chlorinated swimming pools. And is it worth it? Should I upgrade? Should I make the switch? Even this question, do people regret it? And when you ask a professional, do you know people who regret? Like, I mean, I know thousands of pool owners, and I do know some that regret switching to a salt chlorine generator. But these people are people who came in with expectations, and then those expectations weren't met. If you wanted a maintenance-free pool, you probably weren't happy with your salt chlorinator. It probably didn't do what you wanted. If you thought it was an alternative to chlorine, not just like a chlorine regeneration system, you're probably not happy with it either. So this is really about managing expectations. And when somebody comes to me and says, "Oh yeah, I want a pool and I want a salt water," and I say, "Okay, like it's not a problem, but let me ask you, why do you want salt?" And they say, "Oh, because I really want a maintenance-free pool. I don't want to spend any time on it." And I say, "Okay, stop. Like there might actually be a way to get you to that request of a maintenance-free or near to it, something like that. But it's not a salt chlorinator. And if it were a salt chlorinator, it's certainly not on its own. Like this is not going to get you what you want out of your swimming pool. Or like, I want a salt chlorinator because I don't like chemicals." It's like it's the exact same thing. Like if you understand it's the exact same thing and you want it, get it. But if you think it's something else or something different, you're gonna be disappointed with your purchase. So, those people can regret getting salt chlorine generators, but in general, people who get them love them. Like, let's be honest about it. They love them, they rave about it, they talk about it a lot with all their friends. You'll be sure to know that they have a salt pool because they'll tell you about it. But it is good. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It's a convenience item. It's not a free lunch. It's got pros and cons. But as long as you're weighing the benefits, making an informed decision, and it's something that's meeting your priorities and providing something in the pool that is a priority to you, well, then I have no problem with a salt chlorine generator at all. And they are convenient. And when during the pandemic, when everybody was running out of chlorine, salt chlorine generator owners were laughing because they could just keep making their own, for the most part. And then they don't have to, be fighting in the Walmart parking lots over the last bottle of chlorine tabs. So, there are some benefits to be had. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.